What's up, y'all? It's the Gringo Supremo here in Big Sky, Montana, USA, where I'm awaiting the arrival of one of my best international buddies, Easy T from Perth, Australia. Now, he doesn't know it yet, but he's about to get a very warm welcome. Perfect. Before we do this, I want y'all to know something. Y'all know Michael Jackson was a skier, right? You know what his favorite drink in the mountains was? Shots. Yeah.
Lee, once again, I'm gonna whoop your ass at pool.
Or nice, you fucking silly bitch. I love it. You blow this, you're a fucking chump. Shoot it, you fucking whore. Eyes.
What else? That's it? That's you home?
We're making gay videos, hope y'all don't mind. I started videography and editing and shit. And I can generally talk his ass into doing some embarrassing shit. So here we are. Oh, to answer your question from earlier, Tony, no, you cannot give me a hand job, nor a blow job, nor any other job. Yeah, you can. After we ski, though. Ah! Any last words, T?
Wish me luck.
All right, let's go. Look at him go, he's amazing. He's like a fucking crocodile Dundee on skis. Do something, for God's sake. Impress us. Hey, Tony, I'm passing you. Hey, bitch, suck a dick. I got his ass! Oh! Hey, Tony. Get out of there. Oh, I got him! Oh, I'm gonna shit my pants doing that. I think I tore my ass a little bit. I forced it so hard.
Oh, Jesus.
Son of a bitch.
Christ!
I'll get you again.
Ah! Then my thing zipped up either.
Sit me down, Sally. Okay, you know what? I've been thinking about what we'll talk about already. I'm gonna let you give me a fun go. You've been a good boy. Why shouldn't you have fun on a ski trip as well? Right?
Watch this dickhead about to kill himself. Alright, you good to go?
Yeah. Action.
Action.
Let's go.
Jesus.
You! Okay, Tony, one last offer. Fly, yeah. Suck it!
Fuck, stop doing that.
I got his ass! Fuck you, Tony! Okay, you ready for this?
On this bus or not?
Well, we're gonna do it right here. Just play along. We'll do both. Okay, Easy T, it's been a good trip, buddy. Always a pleasure to see you. Do you have anything to say to my adoring public?
I'm just glad I don't have to stink you off. Bah!
You glad what?
I'm just glad. Dude, just go roll it again.
Okay, Easy T, it's been a great trip. I'll miss you, buddy. You have anything you want to say to my adoring public?
Oh, fuck.
Oh, you suck, dude. You suck. You suck so bad. Are you ready for this? Are you gonna screw it up this time?
Probably.
It's been a good time, Tony. While I'm a little bit sad that you're gonna leave, my liver rejoices. Get your ass out of here! Oh! Never come back again!